HiDream is a new AI image model that came out just a few days ago, and it's been making a lot of noise on the scene. So today I wanted to test it against Flux Pro Ultra, Google Imagen 3, and Stable Diffusion 3.5 Large to see how it stacks up. Now first, a couple notes about HiDream, the model itself. Now, it came out just a few days ago and it has a couple of different flavors similar to what we've seen with Flux. So similar to Flux, where we have Flux Schnell, Dev, and Pro, you have HiDream Fast, HiDream Dev, and HiDream Full. Now these are all different size models, different performance. The HiDream Full is a 17 billion parameter model, so it's quite capable, and there are a lot of benchmarks that seem to back that up. If you look at DPG Bench, Gen Eval, it's topping a lot of these when you take a look at it compared to the other models. Now, I do take these with a grain of salt, and I'll explain why. If you look, Stable Diffusion 3 Medium is beating Flux Dev in this eval. I'm sorry, but there's no planet where that's actually the case. So we're going to do a real battery of tests here. And what I did is I put together this list of prompts. So we're going to test 3 different things here. Realism and detail. I've got 4 different prompts for that. We're going to test artistic styles and creativity, and then we're going to test a little bit more abstract things, testing for general understanding and logic. Let's jump right in and take a look at our first results. The first prompt will be a close-up photograph of a rusty old bicycle with detailed tire treads. Now to do this, I went into Pixel Dojo, where I've got all of these models set up. So I'll show you the standard setup that I've got here. So we've got HiDream. This is all 3 different models here you can see are selectable. So we went with HiDream Full, and we're just going to keep the standard square resolution and then highest quality. That's the only thing we're going to set. None of these results are cherry picked. It's going to be one shot, one prompt. That's it. So that's HiDream. Over here next on the Google Imagen 3 side, we've got the same setup. Square 1x1, a close-up photograph, same prompt, same settings. Next up, we've got Flux. So for this, we're going to be using Flux Pro 1.1 Ultra, which is their top-of-the-line model that does 4K outputs. Again, square resolution, no other settings changed. And finally, last but not least, we have Stable Diffusion 3.5 Large. Again, default settings. And for our first prompt, here are the results. You can see Flux 1.1 Ultra with this bicycle tire did a really nice job. You've got this nice rusted frame of the bike.